Just as a man laments his son or father or his friend when death has taken him away, I lament the living who have remained today. Many disloyal, cruel, of evil natures gather, liars, tricksters, crew, greedy of evil brew, robbers, thieves on clans, swear as tyrants too, shelter of traitors' breath, where the devil reigneth. And so he teaches them, as a man does an infant, and sets before their eyes the for which God does them despise. Every man I mourn when he's a glutton and thief, and I mourn him sore because he has lived too long, and I mourn him sore because they have not hanged him strong, and I mourn him sore because he is a traitor. Hairs all filthy and low, so much ill they teach and show those whom God should overthrow, that if they stay much more and keep working as before, we will make a feast when they die and not be poor. For it is false or treacherous grown, and because it has changed its sense and lost its light. For of vices men think they are virtues hide, and of ills they think they're good, and it is their opinion known that the worthy are but blame, and the wicked they acclaim, and the base are good and sound. And wrong is a fair fame, and shame is honor's crown. Bad deeds teach them in town, for it wants no man to hold what God commands of old, but that each should go along there where the disloyal throng. And I mourn because each thinks he does valiant deeds, and feigns himself most frank when he has drunk his part. But if the deeds they did were all of that same art, of their valor it would not be worth the telling's need. There I think it deceives them so, the false belief they have and know, for of the felon deed it makes a firm show indeed that it is true. Valor see folk whom God disdains below. Do you think that toward you shall flow good through ill-doing's way, or where through damage and fray for wrong done you want great thanks to pay? Now it seems to me my song is scarcely worth a thing, for I have walked and woven it of speaking ill's dark thread. But from bad leaf one does not lightly pluck good fruit, nor from base deeds can I draw good pleading of the ugly deeds they do. Ugly words I speak and sing to, right along with reason's line, and of the cruel will untrue. I speed the course and hate its sign, for it is hard for me to paint their error, or to feign, or to go praising them along, or to gild the song, but for what they are my song. My singing teaches and shows from what a man should keep his pose, and what deeds despise indeed those who have desire and need of valor and of honor's great need.